Tuan Yang Dipertua, lantaran itu, berasaskan prinsip mendahulukan rakyat, kerajaan dengan ini memutuskan supaya satu sistem pencukaian menyeluruh dan saksama perlu segera dilaksanakan bagi manfaat seluruh rakyat Malaysia.
It's a multi-stage consumption tax on goods and services. Yup, that means GST is imposed on the supply of goods and services at each stage of the supply chain, from the supplier up to the retail stage of distribution. You may ask,
what is GST? GST is a consumption tax based on the value-added concept. GST is imposed on goods and services at every production and distribution stage in supply chains, including importation of goods and services.
all the things are consumed? Don't worry, price effects should be minimal. The government has considered the welfare of the rakyat, especially the lower income group. Public transport, health, financial services, education, highway toll, and residential properties will be exempt from GST. There will also be no GST on government services. Basic foodstuff, water, and electricity are zero-rated supplies. Plus, all exports are also zero-rated. Because GST paid on input is claimable by businesses, this translates into lower production costs and in turn lowers prices for the consumer.
Why does the government want to implement GST? The GST implementation is the part of the government's tax reform program to enhance the capability, effectiveness, and transparency of tax administration and management.
8 categories of goods and services are expected to see price reductions: clothing and footwear, communications, furnishing household equipment and maintenance, restaurants and hotels, transportation, alcoholic beverages and tobacco, housing, water, electricity, gas, and fuel.
What is the rate of GST that will be imposed? The government has fixed the GST rate at 6%. As conclusions, today, GST is an important issue in Malaysia, and it is believed that it will boost tax consumption revenue. Thus, in ensuring the smooth implementation of GST, all parties must be well prepared and give full commitment toward it. Most important, any weakness that are identified during the initial implementation of GST should be improved and re-engineered in order to create win-win situation to all parties involved. As a conclusion, GST will be enabled to strengthen the Malaysia's economy and enhance the public quality of life.